How to track your Doordash order live. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can track Doordash order live. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to log in into your Doordash account either through the application or through the browser via doordash.com. So once you're logged in, head over to your orders tab, tap on this three line icon at the top left and move on to the orders piece. Now under your orders tab, you have to select your active order. Tap on your ongoing order that you want to track. After that, you can view the live order tracker. You will see a real-time map showing your dasher's locations, that is the driver's locations, and it will also show the estimated arrival time and delivery process. After that, once your food is picked up, a map shows your dasher movement towards your address. You could also contact to the dasher if you need to message or call them. You can also contact support from their screen if there are any issues. That's it. So that's how you can track your order dash or the DoorDash order live. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.